Hello, good viewers. In today's tutorial, we are going to be solving this exponential equation 4 to the power x plus 2 plus 4 to the power x plus y equals 65. So what are we going to do here? So you know that we can actually rewrite this equation from the law of indices that says a to the power of b plus c. You can have a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of c. So that is what from the law of indices. So now here we are going to apply this here in the first and the second term. So we can write this 4 to the power of x, then multiply by 4 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of 5 equals what? 65. Are you following? So now from there, the next thing we are going to do, so we can see that 4 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x here, common, so we bring it out, 4 to the power of x into brackets, that is taking out, factorizing it out, so this is going to be 4 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 5, then equals 65. Are you following? So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is, you know that this is 4 to the power of s. We can write it as this place here. We have 4 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 5. We can write it as 4 to the power of 2 is common. 4 to the power of 2, taking out the common factor again. Here, don't forget that this is multiplication here. So now this will remain 1 plus then 4 to the power of what? 4 to the power of 3, right? Equals what? Equals 65. Are you following? So now from there, so we have 4 to the power of x dot 4 to the power of 2. Here is going to be multiplied by 1 plus 4 to the power of 3 is 64. Can you see? Equals this. So we have 4 to the power of x dot 4 to the power of 2, that is what? That is 16, dot 1 plus this, we have 65, which is equals 65. So as you can see, if you divide through by 65, so we see that this, we cancel this, so we have 4 to the power of x dot 16 equals 1. So now from here, we're going to divide both sides by 16 again. Okay, so this, we cancel this, we have 4 to the power of x equals, we can write this as 16 raised to the power of minus 1 from the law of indices that say if you have 1 over a, it can be written as a to the power minus 1. So here I have 4 to the power x equals 16 can be as 4 to the power of 2, then we have minus 1, right? So we have 4 to the power of x equals, this power we multiply this, that is if you have a to the power of b to the power of c, so this will give us a b c, right? So we're going to have 4 to the power of 2 times minus 1 minus 2, right? So from there, since we having the same basis, so now we're going to equate the exponent we have x to be equals minus 2. So therefore x equals minus 2 is the final answer. So now if you want to check whether you have the right answer or not, so we plug in this x equals minus 2 into the given equation. So now we have the given equation here, so we want to check. We have 4 to the power of x plus 2 plus 4 to the power of x plus 5, then equals what? 65. So now we have 4, the x we got is minus 2, minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 5. Is it going to give us 65? So let's see. 4 to the power of 0 plus here 4 to the power of 3. Okay, is it going to give us this 65? Now 65. So now 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1 plus 4 to the power of 3, that is what? That is 64, right? So now 1 plus 64, you can see that we have 65 now equals to what? 65. So therefore we have the value of x to be minus 2. And that's the end of the class. If you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that before, so that you and hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.